One of the other ways you can run your Express console is in single scene mode. I've gone ahead and set this desk up into single scene mode. This is a 4896. The 72144 can also be in single scene mode, and we talked in another chapter how to set up your desk in single scene mode. And once you've done that, it's very easy to bring up channels, because after all, that's really what you want to do, is actually turn on lights. Single scene mode is probably one of the easiest. It's great for beginning users or people who may not be familiar with lighting consoles of this complexity. What makes single scene mode very nice is that it's kind of like what you see is what you get. If I want channel 1 turned on, I can simply go to my fader that's marked channel 1 and push it up, and the intensity will come up, and my screen, my stage display will indicate that channel 1 is now at full, or anywhere in between 0 and full. On the Express 4896, I have 96 channels at my disposal on the faders. So if I want 1 on, or if I want 13, or 71, or even 85, I can just bring up those channels. And that is a very simple, easy way to operate the Express console. It's a quick way to bring up lights, and I can also use these values later when I want to record cues or do other things with them. And that is basically single scene operation on an Express console.